solve the system using the substitution method. We have y equals 5x minus 2 and y minus 2 equals x. Now with the substitution method, we solve one equation for one of the variables and substitute into the second equation. So we can see in the first equation that y is equal to 5x minus 2. So where I have y in the second equation, I'm going to write 5x minus 2. So that gives me 5x minus 2, that's y, minus 2 equals x. Now what that gives me is an equation with just x in it. So I can solve for x. That gives me 5x minus 4 equals x. Subtracting 5x from both sides, I have negative 4 equals the opposite of 4x. And dividing both sides by negative 4, I have 1 equals x. Now be careful not to stop there. We need an x and a y to solve the solution, or to solve the system and to find a solution. So I take 1 as the value for x, and I'll substitute it back in my first equation. That gives me, I start with y equals 5x minus 2. So y equals 5 times 1 minus 2. So y equals 5 minus 2, or 3. That gives me the order pair 1, 3. And I would check that in both of these equations to make sure that it does make both equations true. And it does, so that is the solution of the system.